Who knows what these are? Anybody? That's some of the things we do. So we have cracks like this in reinforcement, and it's too hard to get a reinforcement. We build a reinforcement. We build a reinforcement like that with fiberglass. There you go, just like that, huh? Glue it on. That goes there. Oh yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Reinforcement molds out of fiberglass. Great. So one of the things you do is you put tape on here. We use the yellow tape. We put the tape on here and cover it completely in the shape of the mold. We use that stuff just so that way it don't stick to the tape. So this is the epoxy we use, the black epoxy here. This stuff is like great, ready for paint in 8 hours. I mean, it's so good, sandable, everything. Put some screws and rivets in there like that. Got it like this on the hood shock mounts and things like that where these commonly break. So this works really well bonding to plastic, but you do have to sand it down really good so that way it bonds to the plastic really well. Now these plastic hoods crack all the time like this, you know, when they start getting a little older. You can't wait. It's actually better in the long run to do something like this. So we take these molds and we got a crack or a hole and we just stick that on there and reinforce it, rivet it down, and we're good to go.